the highest paid political man.
And Jonas, Mark Golding, does it matter? No, they're the same. But before I continue, ensure that you like, follow, share, and comment. How and Jonas to go answer that Mark Golding is the highest paid politician in Jamaica? And who give me increase, boss? Which government in Jamaica increased politicians' pay, politicians' salary by over 200%? Who did it? It wasn't Mark Golding. It wasn't the PMP. And not get me wrong, don't come in the comment section with the foolishness, but in my JLP or my PMP, I do not care. Fact is, it wasn't the PMP who did it. It was the JLP. So how you figure somebody a pay increase? You not take it, for showing how them take off idiot. Him not take it. Him increase it, but him not take it. Because him knows there are political games ma play. Then Mark Golding complain about it, but take it. Again, political games. People want me a beg you, please understand to them politicians no wit to know. Them a take you all away for idiot. You give the man the pay increase, then I say the man is the highest paid politician in Jamaica when you give him it because you want to make some political points. Then the other man take it and then I complain say it too much. The whole people, please, me I beg you, please. Me nah say no vote. You have to vote. Me nah say no vote. What I am saying, please look beyond the politics. Look beyond the colors. Them no meaning no good. All they do is play political mind games. On a fall feet, hook, line, and sinker. Wise up, please, no? Damn, man. Anyways, these are just my thoughts. What are yours?